What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video, and today we're checking out this really cool cliff using Nanite tessellation. As you can see, the detail is amazing. We have like rocks going all over the place, and actually they're not meshes, they're actually just the landscape material with displacement. So if I go here into the Nanite triangles, you can see that we have all the different kind of polygons going out with this detail, which is amazing in this big landscape. But actually they're not individual rocks, it's basically a big landscape with a simple material. Now I have already made a demo on this using sand, and also a tutorial on how to use Nanite displacement on Unreal Engine 5.4 preview. And I have to say that this technology is amazing because we have so much basically quality right now without impacting performance so much. As you can see, if I move the light, they're basically individual rocks. Like, I mean, they go right from the surface up, right? It's not normal mass with illusion, it's actually real things. And if I go out and just change the material magnitude to maybe 1, you can see that now if I apply, boom, they go even higher, right? Of course, maybe they become a bit glitchy if we get very near, but I also can do the opposite, right? Go to 0.2 and reduce this a lot. So we can play a lot with these things, and it's a thing that I have been playing a lot. That's why I've been doing so many demos, like the sand, now this one, and so on. And I think it's a really cool detail to add to your games now with Unreal Engine 5.4. The really cool thing is that it uses Nanite, so we can add so much geometry and performance is not impacted. So that's really cool. So like I said, I will leave in the description a tutorial on how to achieve this, and also the other demo which I built with sand. So that's it guys. If you found this video interesting, I would really appreciate it. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members with many benefits. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials, and now yes, fellas said, bye bye.